8 secrets to instantly impress your crush. Engage in meaningful conversations. Go beyond small talk. Discuss topics that matter to both of you, showing depth and thoughtfulness. Be supportive. Offer encouragement and support in their endeavors. Showing that you're invested in their success can build a deeper connection. Share personal stories. Relating personal experiences helps create intimacy and allows your crush to see the real you. Practice good hygiene. Maintaining cleanliness and fresh breath is crucial. It shows that you take care of yourself and are considerate of others. Compliment sincerely. Offer genuine compliments that are specific and heartfelt. It demonstrates that you appreciate and notice their unique qualities. Share interests. If you have common hobbies or interests, participate in them together. Shared experiences can create a strong connection. Dress well. Wear outfits that make you feel good and highlight your personal style. It shows that you care about your appearance. Be kind and considerate. Small acts of kindness and attentiveness to their needs can leave a lasting impression.